But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl, dear. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Good night. I hope that you guys are doing very good during this quarantine and all. Okay, so tonight's video is gonna be based on two special questions. Now, what I did before I started this video was I asked a few friends of mine to give me their advice on the questions that I'm gonna ask right now, and I'm also gonna give you guys my answers to the question. So guys, I know say I will always ask like weird questions, like really weird questions, but you know, people kind of ignore them and stuff. So tonight I have like two pretty straightforward questions. The first question is, do you think it is okay to have sex on the first date? Now, everybody is gonna have a different opinion to each of the questions. Do you think it is okay to have sex on the first date? I repeat. So I have a few persons that will be answering this question shortly. Got away there? Yeah, they're gonna answer the questions shortly. So please to watch the video to the end. Do not skip out the video. Watch to the end. Okay? Thank you. So the first question was, do you think it's okay to have sex on the first date? Don't get distracted by my tattoo. Yeah, me know say una see. I don't wait. Yeah, me know say una see it, and me know say una see it. It is saying stay humble, hustle hard. So I'm gonna post like a little clip at the end of the video so you guys can see what it really looks like. Okay, so the answer for that question for me is, do you think it's okay to have sex on the first date? For me, it doesn't matter. At first it used to matter because I was like, oh well, a man is gonna judge you, he's gonna judge your character, he's gonna judge everything about you, because at the back of his head he's gonna be like, oh well, she's probably a bitchy person, why she's gonna have sex with me on the first date, or she's not a bitchy person, why she's gonna have sex with me on the first date, and stuff like that. But after reconsidering, I'm gonna go like 50-50, because yes, it can be okay to have sex on the first date, and no, it cannot be okay to have sex on the first date. If you are a person that is all about commitments, then it can never be okay for you to have sex on the first date. But if you are a person that is not that big on commitment, then having sex on the first date will be nothing to you. It would be just normal, you know. Whether you get up tomorrow and the guy talk to you or not, it doesn't matter, because like, I mean, I like having sex, you like having sex, we had sex, and that's just it. That's it. So for some people it's not really okay, while for other people it is very okay. So for me personally though, I was big on commitment. I was very big on commitment until recently I've grown to realize that personnels in your life will come and they will go, and it doesn't matter how hard you try. Sometimes you cannot figure out who you're supposed to be with if you don't experiment and try to figure out who is better for you to be with. So having sex on the first date is not that much of a big deal. It's not that big of a deal for me anymore. I would probably do it. I don't know. I would probably do it. I don't know. But if somebody does it, I can never be judgmental. It doesn't matter. Your life. Go ahead. Okay, so that was the first question. You can feel free to leave your answer in the comment section below, or you can do your clipping of this video of your answers and send them to my DM on Instagram. My Instagram name is DOfficial. DOfficial, that's my Instagram name. So if it is that you want to send your clippings to get included in my videos, all you gotta do is video yourself. Don't make the video longer than 3 to 2 minutes. Send it to me and you will be in my next YouTube video. The second question for this video was, if it is that you have a partner and you like the person is so into you, you're so into the person, going down memory lane into the relationship after a while, you get to figure out that the person had sex with somebody that is a close friend of yours. However, you and this person had not have sex yet. So you can still back out of the relationship, or you can choose to continue going forward and forward and forward with the relationship. Now, how would you react to this? Please remember to leave your comments in the comment section, or all you gotta do, babies, is do a video, send it to me in my Instagram DM. Yeah. You understand? So remember, guys, remember. The question is, would you still date somebody that had sex with somebody that you know well? Or would you back up out of the relationship even though you have grown to really love and appreciate the new person in your life? Now, for me, I am very big on attachments. When it comes to me have attachment issues. I have serious attachment issues. I don't know where I got them from. I don't know how I'm going to get rid of them. But I got serious attachment issues. When I love you, I love you. I love you really, really hard. So if I'm dating somebody, I'm going to have sex with you yet, and me realize one of my friend had sex with you, I probably would continue dating you, because I am probably at this point really attached to you. So I'll probably date you. But there's a but. If it is somebody that talks a lot, like every time them see you, them are going to bring up the topic, or if it is that every time you and I have an argument, you're going to bring it up and like you want to throw it in my face, even though this happened before we were together, then I really don't think that I would be okay to continue dating you knowing that you already dated somebody. Right? So now, guys, I'm going to allow you guys to see a few clippings of what some of my friends thought about my two questions. So, bam.
Alrighty, so I'm gonna answer the question them no. So the first question states, would you have sex on the first day? Well, I don't think people must do that, because next thing you gotta have sex with somebody today, tomorrow you wake up in a bad like them. Get to know the person a little bit first, you understand? I'm not judgmental, so if you don't want to do it, that's up to you, no, good luck. But I'm just saying, make a person get to know you well a little bit before you just jump in a bed with them, you understand? So I'm not thinking if you do it on the first day. That's just my opinion. The next question is, if you had a boyfriend and your boyfriend slept with one of your friends before you guys were together, but you want him to have sex as yet, would you end the relationship? Me personally, I not do that, right? Not because you had sex with one of my friends before me say, I gotta just be judgmental and end the relationship because you had intercourse with one of my friends. No, I gotta give us a chance just to see him. You understand? But that's just my opinion.
Sex on the first date. Well, yes, I don't see nothing wrong with that. And is it okay to date a girl that was dating your friend before? Well, me would have a problem about that. And I like say, if when me and her date, as long as she not dating him, it's okay with me. You get me? That's our past. I'm not gonna use the past to blight our future.
First question is, do you think it is okay to have sex on the first date?
I don't see nothing wrong with it, because if you sex him today, I see him sex. If you hold out it till next year, if I go left you in this, I go left you and done. So I see him thing. Said thing.
So that your answer?
Yeah, to that, because I don't see sense you hold out. Where you hold out for?
So I same thing. Alright. Next question. If you have a friend, like a guy that you're pursuing, you start date the guy, you like the guy, bad. You find out say one of your friends.
Alright, first question. Do I think it's right to have sex on the first date? Technically there isn't a right or wrong, because like my point of view is this: sex don't really mean much these days. So like there is no right or wrong. That's just sex. Two, if Mura still deal with a girl where sleep with one of my niggas back in the day, no. Cause like at some point I'm gonna have something to say about her, and I'm not gonna feel comfortable with that, so it wouldn't work. No.
I don't know. Sex on the first day is not me. And if you there for more than 1 year, yes, now just end it about. If you just attack for like 3 months, done. Nah, have sex with one of my friend, man.
So we did just deep on the first day, if you give me next day, then nothing will change, same thing. And
Okay, so I was asked if it was okay to have sex on the first day. Well, if you have sex on the first date, or if you have sex couple dates down the road, are the same thing. However, if you delay the sex till after the first date, you might get to know more about that person. And the next thing again, if one boy a look me and me find out say him a one of my friend them used today or whatever them did involve, as long as me and him not start nothing yet, it not go bother work, cause him done did something with my friend already. But you see, if the fuck pass already, it just pass and it a go continue pass. Worse if me like him. Yeah, so it go straight.
Alright, guys, I know that you guys did not go anywhere. You move? Did you move? Did you move? I know you didn't move. Mwah. That's why I love you so much. Remember, watch the video to the end. Remember, subscribe. Remember, leave a comment and like and click that icon up there. Share it to your Instagram, your WhatsApp, everything. Make sure you share it. Watch it to the end. I don't know the thing go. So I know that you guys probably watch a few clippings of some of what my friends thought about my 2 questions. I really hope that you're enjoying the video thus far. Also, I hope that when it comes on to decisions like these, we think about what we want to do before we get up and we do them, because decisions like these cannot be taken back. If you go sleep with somebody, it cannot be taken back. And I know a lot of you guys are thinking in your head, like you're thinking to yourself, I don't think that I can just get up and sex somebody on the first date. But there's a big ass but. You have zero idea how hot a nigga is gonna make you, honey. Seriously, like, you ain't have no clue how a nigga's gonna make you. Like, I've seen niggas that I've never seen naked before. They've never asked me out. And in the back of my head, I'm like, oh my God, Jesus! You come on, panda boy that ain't gotta really come down, panda guy there. Yeah, I do that sometimes. But that doesn't mean that I'm just gonna get up and I'm gonna sex him because he looks good. He looks good. I would do it, but he didn't put it to me. Now, imagine being under liquor and a really sexy, cute, nice, good body boy where you like from long time walk up to you, offering himself sexually. Baby, come on. I know you hitting that. I know you hit it. So don't go on like, don't go on like, don't go on like you're not hit it. Okay? Don't go on like. So yeah, guys, I really appreciate you guys so much. I know that by now some of y'all are seeing ads on my videos, which means that I am now officially a YouTube partner. So drum roll. Thank you guys so much. I really love you guys. Remember to watch the video to the end. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Watch the video to the end again. Like, share, and comment to my channel. I love you guys so much. Tell someone about me so that they can tell someone, so that they can tell someone. Help me make my dream come through. I love you guys so much. Remember, follow my Instagram. It's TheOfficial, to send whatever questions, whatever topics you want to send to my Instagram. Also, if you want me to talk about something special, remember to leave it in the comment section below. I love you guys so much. Have a breezy night.